So, got the topic? Today's topic is about paisa paisa. See, lot of patients in our practice tell about money, isn't it? And if the patient belongs to the age group of late 20s till early 50s, this is the age group. Almost 100% of the person will talk about money, isn't it? Because that is the age of earning, that is the age of establishment, that is the age of making your security future strong. So will all the patient who are talking about money will belong to certain class of remedies, isn't it? Do you have this question in your mind? Let's discuss about it. So basically money is one of the factor which is like a daily need, like how we call na roti kapda and makan, that is the food, your clothing and shelter. To get all of this, everyone requires money, isn't it? But not all the patients who talk about money, they are talking in certain way that indicate to certain group of remedies. Let's discuss about few of the remedies who generally talk about money. For sure, all the row 4 remedies like calcarea, like kali, like scandium, like ferrum, gallium, germanium, cobalt, cuprum, zincum, arsenic, they all will talk about money because it's a row which belongs to your domestic life, where you want to make your security strong, your future strong, you want to educate your children, you want to invest in such a way that if there is any crisis in the future, you have the funds for you. So all the row 4 remedies will talk about money for sure. Now for row 4 remedies, the issue about money is in terms of security and future well-being. This is their aim to get the money. All the left-sided elements, those who are from Kali, Calcarea, Scandium, etc., they will be talking about, they are little dicey, or they are dependent, or they are not sure, they are indecisive about their money factor, about their job, about their, if it is Kali patient, they will always be, fearful that the person on whom I'm dependent for my security in terms of money, who is the provider, who is the breadwinner, if that person is no more, then how will I survive? That is their issue. If the same Kali person is a working woman or working man, even then they feel that they have this tendency that even though they are well earning for themselves, they always feel their better half, their partner's support is the important thing for them in life, because even though they are earning money, they don't know how to utilize it. So it is the partner or the person on whom they depend. It could be a mentor, a boss, elder sibling, a father figure, those people who tell them how to utilize that money for their best. So it is not that all the people who are not working only they are dependent. It depends upon your mind, your dependency or independency. As and how you go towards the middle of the row 4, the remedies they talk about, like ferrum and all, they talk about the solidarity with money. With money you get, you make your footings firm. It's like nothing can no uncertainty can come towards you when you are rock solid over there. So for them, money makes them rock solid. It gives them endurance, it gives them fixity, that yes, I am okay, I'm sure I can deal with the situation. As in how you go towards the right side of the periodic table on the row 4, in the row 4 you will see that the remedy slowly gradually will talk about losing their resources in terms of their money, their monetary gain, their stable structure. It is losing it is somehow going either in the reality or in their stress or in their delusion, in their dreams. They can even see the dreams of robbers, somebody is looting them, somebody, thieves are entering into my house, or my even my own family members, they are, behind my back, they are utilizing money in a very wrong direction, and soon we are going to get bankrupt. So in a way, the security in terms of money, they are losing it. Now this is obvious for row 4. We don't find very much difficulty to understand these remedies, but there are other set of remedies also who talk about money, but not in this term of row 4. Now let's take example of people of Malvales. Shocked? Because we always think about Malvales in terms of Cadbury ki ad, that that lingering taste of togetherness, and the love and the care and the joy and the party, togetherness, bonding. But yes, they also talk about money. Now why? Thanks to Shankaran sir, who introduced the idea of super classes, this actually has made our life bit clear and easier. Because earlier we used to think that, I know for sure I need to prescribe Malvales for this person, because everywhere in the case it is the polarity of togetherness and separation, that alone and want to, being bonded together with the family, to enjoy, to go on a picnic, etc., etc., all that jazz of Malvales. Then why this patient simultaneously talking about the money aspect, that I need money or I want to earn money, I'm very ambitious about money. And that is the time when that little bit of specks remains in your mind. You are not fully satisfied to give Malvales. But now if I recollect all those cases, see, Malvales belong to superclass 4. Superclass 4 theme is about finding balance in life. They always strive for balance. They strive for stability in their life. They want something for sure. That's how Calcaria also belongs to, row 4 remedies also belongs to superclass 4. See now how the things are falling under the one roof. So when nowadays when the patient comes with the understanding of Malvales, complete theme is available for Malvales, and even though the patient is talking about aspect of money, we ask them, please tell about this. We don't fear now, because we know for sure that wherever we tap, if it is true, it will come from the patient's mouth. So it has recently happened that I asked one of the patient about who was talking about money. So I asked her, tell me about this, that you told that you want to earn lots of money and you have ambition for money. Tell me about your ambition. So what she's telling is, see doctor, when I have lot of money, I can plan lot of trips. I said, wow, that's interesting. Tell me about that. So she says that, when you have money, you have the privilege to go for holidays, you can go for picnic, and you can also take your family member along for the picnic. So I asked her, what is the most important thing for you in the entire thing which you are telling me? She says, it is all about, spending quality time with my family. I told her, please tell about this quality time. She's telling that all the siblings, all the cousins and cousins, they are together, and we are going for a picnic, we are enjoying over there, we are playing a lot of games, we are eating together, we are playing Antakshari, and all of us are so happy. And then I asked her, and then what happens? Because I saw some sort of underlined tears in her eyes. She says that, and then what? The holiday ends. Her voice was very heavy while telling that. So when I asked her, meaning I didn't get you, she says, the holiday ends and then you have to go to your home, and the cousins will go to their home. It's a kind of again we are separated. All those memories which we have made are the only source of happiness until we meet again. So now you understand, it started with money. The ambition for money was there, no doubt about it, but that money was for bringing the family together, spending the money for family holidays, because ultimately the drive is for that togetherness, that time with the family. So please, this is my genuine request to all the young budding homeopaths. Whenever there is something which is not fitting into the entire case, be brave, as Dr. Hanuman have told us. Dare to be wise. Ask the person. Please tell me about this thing. Don't hesitate. Don't have this fear that, oh, everything is matching for this particular remedy. And if I ask, and if the person is telling something else, then again, oh my God, what remedy to give? So to avoid that fear later on, we generally don't ask, even though our consciousness giving us the idea that this is something, this is a bit which is not fitting. Always have the courage to ask that, and if it is true, if everything else is matching, this will also match. So there are many such remedies who fall in track with the common understanding, like idea about money, idea about relationship, idea about love. So slowly, gradually, we will talk more about these things. So on the same note, I would also like to tell you that on the same topic, Sir is going to give a lecture in Hyderabad. It is in the month of August, only one day lecture on Sunday from 9 to 5. I am posting the details of the seminar just after this video. So you are in and around Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, don't miss this chance, because this is the topic, the paisa, the money, the monetary thing. Almost 90% of the patient talk in our clinic. So this is the topic not to be missed. Definitely attend it and let me know which other things you would like to know from us. We will make such small videos, and let us be sharing and growing together in this field of homeopathy. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, and also share this video with your friends, so that we all are growing together. Maybe they don't know some aspect of these things, so it is like learning for them. They will bless you. Thank you.
Their fear of disease, like arsenic, what is the fear is the anxiety about health, right? If I have to have any problems about my health, doc, then who is going to earn? Then who will be? I am the only earning member of the family. Are you getting? So therefore, for arsenic, it is hai mera paisa, hai mera paisa. Money, my work, my health, my job. It's all about security in terms of money. Are you getting this? Yes. But for cactus, they are not worried about that aspect as far as money and all that thing is concerned. But their problem is that if I fall sick, and if the sickness becomes more, then I might have to take someone's help, and that is a problem for me. I'll have to tell some family member to please take care of me. And that is an issue for cactus.